Welcome back, Israel, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is July the 25th, 2021, and it's time for your daily COVID-19 analysis. In addition to your daily numbers today, Israel, you also get the bonus report for absolutely free. You also get the weekly COVID-19 vaccine rollout report for your country of Israel. Of course, before we get started here, a big shout out to the 46 people, the 46 people who viewed this video on Friday. A big shout out, a big thank you for watching. You 46 who did watch the video on Friday. Of course, I have a favor to ask you all. Of course, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Secondly, click that like button. Uh, click the like button. All right, click the like button. Most important of all, click the share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter today. You can also copy and paste the link to this video into an email and a text message and share this email with your friends and family today also. Okay? Thanks so much, Israel. Let's get on with the show. Now, there has been some concern about a slight spike up in cases. Okay? Uh, but so let's just take a look here. Okay? So currently, Israel has a total of 860,000 cases, right? 860,000, yeah. 6,458 deaths. Mortality rate is fairly meaningless. Here's where some people are concerned. Okay, if we say that decline started all the way back here on 6/19, and on the 25th was back up to 1,421 cases. Well, we've had over a month's increase. So the question is, if people are going to die, if the people are going to start dying, when are we going to start seeing the deaths for this month's worth of data? Okay. By the way, we could say that for the period ending 7/21, you were averaging 1,204 cases. Let's take a look at deaths now. Look at this: 3 deaths, 1 death, 3 deaths, averaging 1.7 deaths for 7-day moving average. Okay, that's the good news. It's going to be very hard I think it's very hard to completely keep, deaths at the zero level. It also takes, because it doesn't take anything to double the number of deaths, okay? But the point is this: deaths are more important than cases. It's as simple as that. Deaths are more important than cases. Diseases are measured by deaths, not by cases and not by hospital beds. So don't be misled, okay? I'm here to give you the straight, simple numbers. All right. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, a 5-week increase in cases, but the deaths are continuing to remain very, very low. Okay, and that's the good news. Monthly cases, well, look at this. Yeah, we have a slight increase here. Look at the rest of these numbers here. Look at deaths. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months in a row, we're going to see a declining pattern in monthly deaths. Okay? So that's part one of your report today, Israel. Let's come back over here. Let's take a look at your vaccine rollout report for today. Okay, here's what we can see. Total vaccinated, interesting enough, it's leveled off here. But anyway, a total of 11 million doses have been administered so far. 5.7 million have received 1 dose, and 5.3 million have received the full dosage. 66% of your population have received one dose, and 61% of your population have received the full dosage. And this could be the reason why your deaths are still low. All right? Look at the flat end of the curve here. Remember all the hype about flattening the curve back over here in October or back in April in the spring? Look at the flat end of the curve uh, for deaths. This is why your cases and deaths are so low right now, because you flatten this curve with the vaccine and lockdowns, okay? But of course, the good news is, I guess Israel is opening back up their borders to foreign travelers. Uh, that's good news for me, is because I will say one last thing before I let you go. I'll see you in October, okay? See you in October. So if you see me walking down the street someplace in Jerusalem or Tel Aviv, be sure to stop and say hi, okay? I'd love to meet with my viewers, all right? Anyway, thanks so much, Israel, for your time today. Hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button, click the like button, and most important of all, click on the share button. Share this video on your Facebook or your Twitter account today. You can also click on the share button, copy and paste the link into your video today into an email or a text message, and share the news with your friends and family today. Thanks so much for your time today, Israel. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.